About getting a home equity line of credit. Hi, I'm Carrie Kukuda, the Someday Coach, and I'm going to give you some pros and cons on a home equity line of credit. Some of the things that you want to consider when you're looking at the pros is that you may get a lower interest rate. It's a secured loan against a home. It's going to be better than a personal loan for you as far as rates are concerned. You're also looking at lower fees, because you possibly might not have any fees to open it as long as you are looking at keeping it open for at least 3 years. You have flexible repayment plans as well, where you can just pay the interest only on the loan for some time frame on that line of credit. So that'll leave you some flexibility for some extra cash. Your high credit limits, say you have a lot of loan to value into your home, so you might be able to pull a lot more money than you would typically on any other kind of loan, so that might be something to consider. As well as the tax advantage. Maybe you take and put in some of your credit card debt and some of that, maybe you have some room for that. That will also have a tax advantage because it is a home loan. Now we got to look at the bad side, the cons. And there is some things that you want to consider as well. And those are your rate cap. Sometimes they're on adjustable rates, so they can move up or move down in rate and very quickly and unexpectedly, so it can be very costly. So you want to be concerned with the adjustable rates, as well as your early closure fees. So you may, like I said earlier, there's the 3 years. Typically, when you have a no closing cost loan on a line of credit, you're going to have a time period where you can't close that loan without getting fees. So that's something to consider as well. And then you got a minimum draw amount. Some of your line of credits will require you a certain dollar amount that every time you draw that you have to place. Also, what some people are feeling now in the current market is there's some line freezes. They may tell you that you cannot use that home equity line any longer. And last but not least, it might be difficult to refinance. If you have a first mortgage in front of it, there's some complications there as well. So weigh it all out and decide. And again, my name is Carrie. Thank you.